Once again, congratulations for winning the Best Robotic Paper Award published in European Urology.
Hi everybody, I'm Dave Meinhard. I'm with the Vattikuti Foundation KS International Robotic Surgery Awards. I've been asked to make a short video to show you what we're looking for and what we're not looking for as the videos start coming in for entries to the KS International Awards. Here's a few tips for you. One of the first tips is that make sure that you are happy with your video before you send it. Ask a trusted colleague or ask a friend to view the video with you, listen if they have some suggestions, and make sure that you make your video the very best it can be. Every entry that comes into the foundation is screened individually. Some are rejected, most are accepted. When we screen a video, we are looking for excellent graphics and information about the patient. We're also looking to have good communication from the surgeon regarding teaching, training people as they're watching this video about the technique and the procedures they're covering. Some graphics may be better off posted in a professional journal and not in a video. They get to be difficult to read on a small or a large screen. Surgical footage should be up on the screen long enough that the viewer can understand the anatomical importance. Shots should be up at least for 3 to 5 seconds, but not 1 or 2 second shots. You need to keep them long enough that the information registers in the mind of your viewer. This is an actual KS Awards entry that we are using as an example.
The next step is the isolation of the ureters. Peritoneum over the iliac artery is a...
Audio, as you know, is very important. If your sound isn't clear and crisp, your audience is not going to be able to get your message. If your recording sounds like you've been recording in a washroom, maybe you should pick a quieter environment. Sometimes people even have been known to take a jacket or a blanket and drape it over their heads and record in the most quiet environment possible. Another thing that's important, I know you are trying to get a lot of information packed into an 8-minute or less video, but please take your time, tell your message effectively. If you're narrating really fast, it's really hard to understand sometimes what you're trying to say. So slow down, make sure when you narrate it's clear and easy to understand. Just because your editor has some fancy effects, or you can zoom or swish or do crazy things with it, don't think that's going to gain you points with your judges. We're looking for quality content, not special effects. Tell your message cleanly and clearly. Using another example from an entry into the KS Awards, you can see the graphics are working well. They're using them quite regularly so that you can see what they're talking about. Make sure your focus is crisp and not out of focus. Make sure everything looks the best it possibly can. Registration is easy. Go to the Vattikuti Foundation website, vattikutifoundation.com. There is a link on the home page that will take you to the registration. Thank you for watching our video today. Please remember that the deadline for your entries to the KS International Innovation Awards is on June 15th. Please don't miss that deadline. I look forward to seeing a lot of really high-quality robotic surgery videos that we can share with viewers around the world. And remember, there's a top prize of $10,000 US. So please make your videos the best they can be. Thanks again.